Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, here we go.
Pseudo-Tsuga. Squamish territory. Oh, this is more like it. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Flowy, bermy. Fun stuff. Ooh. Oh, that is a gorgeous berm. Yeah. Nice. Bike park flow. Nice, nice. Fun. Fun. Oh, this is a nice little cruise. Nice. All right, that's great. Pseudo-Tsuga 1.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pseudo-Tsuga 2. This is a fun, flowy, bermy trail, my favorite kind. It's a major quad workout. Ooh, dusty. Slippery, slippery dust. Oh, fun. Okay. Careful through here. Oh. Nice, dusty. Road down there. Oh, it's dusty, cranky. Just roll right through here. Nice. Just 1 second, I gotta give my legs a rest. That was good. How'd that feel?
Good.
Okay, go easy. That's a totally new bike, you know, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. New to you. Pseudo-Tsuga continues. I don't even know how to say it. Let's assume that's what it is. If not, I stand corrected. Yeah. Berms are like walls. Tabletop. Oh, that's a good workout. That is a good workout. Work the knees and the quads. I think this takes us right back to the parking lot, whence we started. Whoa. Nice. Is this it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. It looks like it.
Pretty sure. All right. Let's try it. My son's bike and my wife's bike were on our van a couple weeks ago. And a young man fumbling around for his wallet, or probably more likely his phone, slammed into the back of our van with bikes on a North Shore rack. Oh yeah, this is good. Ooh, that's slick. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, oh yeah. Those are crazy killer burns. I'm gonna stick the G's. Slide off the edge. Oh, here's more. Nice. Oh my God, this is outrageous. Oh, dusty. Oh. Fun, fun. Oh. Wow. These are gorgeous. Dang. Oh. Oh, look at this. Wow. These guys are spoiled. Oh, so spoiled. It's like a roller coaster ride. Oh. You gotta find your rest points. That's a workout. So the young guy, they were driving onto the ferry on their way to Mount Suhalem, Vancouver Island, and this guy got distracted, slammed into the back of the van, 2 bikes in the North Shore rack.
Get out of the way. Okay, you're good.
Thank you. Thanks. All right, I think I'm still going the right way. Looks like it. Finish my story another time.
Cam and Phil's.
All right, Cam and Phil's. That was Pseudo-Tsuga. Nice. Okay, story. Wife, son, van, 2 bikes on a North Shore rack on their way to the son's coaching session. Young guy distracted while they're loading onto the ferry. Oh. Hits them from behind, crushes the bikes, rims, chain and seat stays. He's riding a rental today in Squamish. A trip we had planned for a long time, so we decided to come anyway. Ooh, nice. Look at this. These guys have some trails here. Wow. There's a legendary riding area, Squamish. People come from all over the world to ride here. You can see why. All these banks and berms. Oh, a little dusty. And right out to the car park. Sweet. Thank you, Squamish. That was great.